Happy Washi Wednesday! I'm going to change it up today, and instead of showing you how to use washi tape in a bullet journal or planner, I'm going to show you how to use washi tape on these pre-made planner layouts. These tips will work on almost all styles. So I like to take our thin 5mm washi tape, and you can actually mark out several days at a time. For example, if you're going to be going on vacation, or maybe you have a conference that week, or maybe there's some big presentation in the week and all of that is leading up to it. Whatever it is, if you have an item that runs several days, this is a great way to mark that event on your planner. So you can take the same color tape, run it all across the days, and then of course, since it's washi tape, you can write directly on it exactly what the event or the vacation is, and it's a great way to sort of differentiate and let that whole week pop off the page for you. And in the same vein of that, you can use washi tape to mark birthdays or appointments, special events, those sorts of things. And it's really interesting because you can color coordinate it, and it also just makes your planner a little bit more colorful. And this way you're keeping it very neat and organized by using the same dimension of washi tape, and you can allot the different colors so you can stay really organized and on top of it. Another great use for washi tape, and you can use it on most of like the monthly spreads or a weekly spread, will have like a little notes section on the side. If you are someone who does not use that notes section, a really great way to use washi tape is in a decorative capacity, and you can actually just cover up sections in your planner that you don't use and put some pretty washi tape. It's just a way to make your planner look a little bit more attractive and aesthetic, and sort of you can do themes that go along with whatever month you're in. So as long as you're not using a certain section, this is a great way to add pattern and color and really stylize your otherwise pretty boring planner. So these are the tips that work best on a monthly spread in your planner, but most planners also include a weekly spread. So I have a couple of tips that you can use there as well. This style weekly spread that I use it's a 3-section style, so it's basically made for you to put appointments and items in morning, afternoon, and evening. Again, a great way to decorate and add color and pattern and interest, and even create a theme for your planner that month, is to just simply cover over the existing black lines with something more decorative. I thought for August, this little pencil tape was really cute. And you can see how it still keeps your planner super functional, super organized, but it just sort of allows it to have a little bit of personality. And it's a lot more fun to open up a planner that is attractive and that is sort of on theme for what you're dealing with that month, and instead of just looking at straight black and white pages day after day. Another way that you can add a little bit of pattern and color, a little personality, is to find pre-made date tapes and cover over the existing one. So this is just kind of a fun way, again, to just add pattern and color. You can see it just keeps it from being super black and white, super boring. It's not affecting the function whatsoever. You still have access to the days that you want, and there are such a variety of pre-made date tapes. And you just have to find one that works for your particular planner. This was a 10mm, it worked perfect. You can add your little stickers, and look how much cuter this layout is, and I didn't change the function at all of this planner. Now on this other side, I'm just going to show you a couple other tips. Again, in the vein of just covering over the lines, if you have the 5mm tape, one of the great things about washi is you can actually change the sections in your planner. So maybe you're not someone who does morning, afternoon, and evening, but you like the other functions of your planner. Well, you can actually cover over the existing lines with a color or a pattern tape. I like this really narrow 5mm because it still allows me to have maximum space to actually write appointments and to-do lists. But the great thing is I'm not a morning person. I just have never been a morning person, so I don't get a lot done in that top section, and it feels very wasteful. So instead, what I like to do is to create 2 sections out of the top, one for affirmations and one for my actual morning routine, and that sort of stays the same from day to day. And then I start my list, my to-dos, my appointments in the middle and the evening section. And that just seems to function better for me. Maybe you're someone who wants to create a to-do list in a section, or whatever functions you might want. The point is you could turn these 3 sections to as many sections as you want. You could put one here in the middle. You could do like I do, where I put one here at the top. I literally just leave a space to create a daily quote or an affirmation at the top of each day. And then I put in my routine below that, and then the bottom 2 sections. So you can see it looks like it was meant to be this way. It looks like it was actually designed this way, and it's perfect for you to customize layouts to exactly what you need. Now, the last tip is to use washi tape to write down appointments, especially ones that aren't confirmed, that you're not sure if they're going to get canceled or changed, because then all you have to do is peel up the washi tape, and that way you have it permanently written in your planner. So it's a great way to stay organized without having to mark through things or use whiteout. You can just put temporary things on washi tape and then apply them when it actually gets confirmed. How great are these tips for pre-made planners? Hope you guys found them helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button. It really helps us out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for updates on all things washi and journaling. And as always, I hope you have a happy Washi Wednesday, guys.